In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an embed HTML code on Google Sites. Full Tutorial 2026. If you've ever wanted to display content from another service on your site, like a form, a calendar, a video player, a live dashboard, or a simple widget, embedding is the cleanest way to do it. We'll walk through the exact clicks, plus some quick tips to make sure your embed looks great and loads reliably. Start by going to your website in the Google Sites editor. Make sure you're actually in edit mode so you can change the page, not just viewing the live site. It helps to have the page section selected where you want the content to appear and to have your embed code copied to your clipboard before you begin. Next, open the Insert panel and click Embed. This tool is designed specifically for bringing outside content into your page. You'll see two options in the dialog that opens. One for by URL and one for embed code. The URL option is handy for simple links that Google Sites recognizes, but when you've been given actual HTML, you'll use the code option. Click on Embed Code. This tells Google Sites you're going to paste the HTML snippet yourself. Most providers will give you an iframe embed, something that starts with the iframe tag. That's ideal for Google Sites because it's secure and self-contained. Now paste your code. Drop the entire snippet into the box exactly as provided. For best results, make sure it uses HTTPS links and includes reasonable width and height values. Avoid script tags or code that tries to run JavaScript outside of an iframe, since Google Sites may block those for security. If your provider offers multiple embed formats, choose the iframe version. Click Next. Google Sites will validate the code and generate a preview. This is your quick check to see if the content loads, is the right size, and doesn't show an error. If the preview fails, confirm that you copied the full code, that the source allows embedding, and that there aren't restrictions like blocking in the site's security settings. Many services publish a dedicated embed or share button. Grabbing the code from there usually avoids those issues. Finally, click Insert. The embed will appear on your page as a content box. You can drag it to a new section, use the handles to resize it, and align it to match your layout. Keep an eye on spacing so it looks balanced next to your text and images. That's it. Your embedded content is now part of the page and ready to view inside Google Sites.